Hello everybody. Let's add a timer bar to our game today so that the game makes more sense. When the time is up, the player dies. Something like this. What a friendly guy. Let's start. Click on level 1. Then right click and click on add child node. Search for line 2D and double click on it. At inspector. Go to points here. And click here at pool vector 2. And the size menu will open. And here at size, enter 2 and press enter. Now, enter here at size 1, x value of 100. And enter here with 20. Now, click here at default color on the color field and choose a color for your timer bar. Click here on move mode and place your timer bar where you want. And don't forget to go back to select mode after that. Now right click on line 2D here. Then, click again on add child node. Now, search for timer and double click on it. Turn on auto start here. Now double click on line 2D and rename it to, let's say, timer_bar. Now we have to add a scripted timer bar. Click on this symbol. At template select empty and click create. Now, type this code. We are almost done. Next, click on timer here. Then go to node here. And double click on timeout here. Search for timer bar and double click on it. We now have this function in our script. Call that down counting function here. Like this. Start the program. Okay, it works. In the end, nothing will happen when the time is up. Let's change that. When the time is up, we want to start the timeout scene. To do this, we have to add this if statement to the function on timer timeout here. Of course, you must have already created the timeout scene. Build the timeout scene exactly as we did the game over scene in one of the previous videos. Start the program. Nice. But we still have one problem. As you can see, the timer bar does not follow us when we move. To fix this, drag and drop your time bar into the HUD folder. Like this. Start the program. Perfect. To change the time, for the time bar, click on timer bar. At inspector. Go to size. Here at the number 1. If you now enter a higher value here, in X, then you increase the time of the time bar. You can influence the time also in another way by going into the script of timer bar. And here, in the down counting function for X, change the value. And there is a third way how you can change the time. Click on timer here. And here at wait time, you can also influence the time. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye.